it looks like that the NASDAQ market site, that is the NASDAQ exchange, has halted trading. Initially, it looked like that there was an issue with the underlying options on NASDAQ-listed securities. Now the exchange says it has halted all trading in C securities, Tape C securities. So essentially, it's everything that is listed on the NASDAQ. So this is obviously causing a lot of consternation and confusion in the market, especially coming on the heels of an options trading glitch at Goldman Sachs just a few days ago. So once again, this raises questions about electronic trading, about high-frequency trading, and about sort of the underlying electronic system for U.S.-listed stocks. So again here, we'll bring you any updates as we have them, but the NASDAQ exchange has halted trading in all of its securities until it figures out what exactly is going on. Again, we'll bring you updates as soon as we have them.